is about 120 miles an hour. This is the eye wall. That high rise is slowly coming apart. I've been seeing stuff fly off of it. I saw an explosion on the back side. A lot of black smoke. I'm not going to stream just a couple of minutes here because I got to concentrate till the eye wall passes. All right, 110. See the roof coming off. The eye is about 10 miles away. Amazing, there's still cell service here.
Hey, look up, it's the Tyndall. It's GDR. It's not an ASOS there because necessarily. But there's also one just down the road, the TDR. It's a little bit further down. 2D.
Alright, there's 120.
To that section of the rims here on the studio are ferocious. I'm sure they're ferocious in your home of Green Bay County. You folks in Jackson County, you folks in Rohrbough County, Phoenix Springs, this is not coming to you. Okay? I want to let you know that. Now that we see the final approach,
whoa, there goes power poles.
Destin, you folks in Phoenix Springs, I'm not saying the weather's not going to be bad. Alright?
Sorry folks about the radio. There goes debris across the road from a house. Looks like the eye is going to go right into town, about a mile from me. So once we get a break here, I'm going to cross the bridge and go into town. Maybe get to see some sunshine for a minute. Okay guys, I'm going to stop the stream. I'm going to go over into town and try to catch this eye as it comes in. So I'll be careful and I'll have updates later.